It's your girl Carmen Sweet, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Boxy. Boxy is a monthly subscription where you get five full-size products, skincare or beauty care, just to sample, just to see what's out there. This is a way to see what's out there in the beauty market without going to spend so much money. You can test out different items monthly. So I have the regular subscription where I get 5 full-size items to test out based on the quiz that I take, based on the description of my skin type, my complexion, what I like, what type of makeup products I enjoy using. So let's jump right into the video. So they give you a card with each of the 5 items that you have, and it tells you how much they're retail for and what they're used for. So first we have Born This Way Concealer. It's used to conceal. You use it for contour, highlight, or retouch. And Born This Way Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, it retails for $29. So that already paid for the package itself. So next on our list we have Violet Voss, which is Essential 2 eyeshadow palette. And the eyeshadow palette also comes with a mirror, which is really handy. It has 10 eyeshadow colors to choose from, and this retails for $36. Next on the list we have Carmen's Batted Lip Perfection, and they send this in like a reddish color, and this retail for $26. Next on our list is Maintain Body Skin Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with glowing skin, and it's for all skin types, and this retail for $44.95. So last we have a defining brow pencil, I Am Inspiring by Real Her, and it retails for $60, and you have the brow pencil on one end and then the spoolie on another end. So I will be trying out each of these products in another video just to see how well these things work out. So once again, that was my August box from Boxy. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching my video.